Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog food for Huskies that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula. Huskies aren't the types to overeat, in fact, quite the opposite. They're known for being fussy eaters who can become bored with the same food day after day. Luckily, Blue Buffalo's Life Protection Formula comes in a variety of options, including chicken, fish, or lamb. Plus, the kibble includes Blue's proprietary Life Source bits, which can provide some added stimulation to help keep Huskies interested in what's in their bowls. While it's not a viable option for owners who have decided to feed a grain-free diet, protein is the leading ingredient, and all grains are whole grains. Moving on. At number 4, we have the ORIJEN grain-free, poultry-free, high-protein dry dog food. ORIJEN's 6-fish formulation derives 85% of ingredients from animals, and it's grain-free, which is important for those leading that no-grain lifestyle. Those benefits come at a premium, as this is by far the most expensive adult dog food on the list. 2/3 of the individual ingredients are either fresh or raw, and protein and flavor from the 6 types of fish appeal to Huskies' strong predatory instincts. The uniform-shaped kibble may necessitate a topper or other incentive for fickle Huskies. Consider a dry topper like this one that won't smother the fish flavor. At number 3, we have the Diamond Naturals Extreme Athlete High Protein Real Meat Recipe Dry Dog Food. It's inexpensive and high in protein that comes from cage-free chicken. The high calorie count is excellent for large Huskies, especially active dogs. And glucosamine and chondroitin can help avoid joint pain, another regular issue for medium and large Huskies. It may also help ease symptoms of hip dysplasia, which is common in Huskies. Dogs with refined palates will probably find the flavor to be on the bland side, and the kibble is a uniform size with no hidden surprises, so it may be wise to add a flavor enhancer or incentivizing topper. At number 2, we have the Zesty Paws Eye Supplement for dogs. The soft chews are ideal for senior dogs. Aging teeth and ingredients like cod liver oil and carrot help improve vision. This is great not only for senior dogs, but also for Huskies of any age. That's because the breed is prone to 3 major eye diseases: cataracts, corneal dystrophy, and progressive retinal atrophy. This supplement also includes ingredients designed to boost the immune system, though you should be careful when you first give this to your dog. It's high in fat, which can lead to stomach upset. And finally, at number 1, we have the Stella and Chewy's freeze-dried raw chicken meal mixers dog food. Each flavor provides the dog-friendly nutrition of raw protein, which comes from grass-fed, cage-free, or wild-caught animals. You can give a scoop on top of or mixed into dry kibble, or you can dole them out as treats. They are expensive, so you'll probably want to give less than what's recommended by the manufacturer. Counting the entire bag, the calorie content is high, though individual bits aren't overly calorie heavy. Still, giving these out multiple times a day will add up. That said, the non-meat ingredients include vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, so they're not empty calories. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.